I of all people did not think I would be making 2 YouTube videos in one day, but things change, things happen really quickly. And I actually just found out about the Creator Fund that is going to be available to anybody who uses Flip. And it's now open for you guys to apply to it. Now, the crazy thing about this is this guy right here. He is the founder and CEO of Flip. And in this video right here, he kind of talks about what the Flip Creator Fund is, how it's going to work, and how it's going to benefit them as well as Flip. It's a really great video, so if you go follow him and go watch his video. But near the end of this video, he says that they were going to be giving away $1 million a day. $1 million a day.
We will issue $1 million of grants a day.
There's no, guys. This is phenomenal news because of the fact that there's not a whole lot of people on Flip. Now, there's, of course, a lot more than there was 2 to 3 weeks ago. But the fact that they're already going to be offering this to people means it's a really good time to make money, especially if you already have existing audiences on other platforms, because that's one of the ways that you kind of help back up your application when you apply for this. So without any more delay, I'm going to show you guys really quickly how you guys can apply to the Creator Fund for Flip. I have the link down in the description box below. So guys, click that and you can follow along. All right, so as you can see, we're here on the Flip Creator Fund website, and I'm gonna click this button, apply now. Then right here, you take start. It says take 6 minutes. So we're just gonna put our information in here, do our first name here, then my last name, oh my gosh, caps lock's on, and then my phone number, and then we'll do my email. Now, obviously, guys, as I'm doing this, I'm not gonna have my personal information shared, so it'll be very blurred out, but this is all you have to do, and then you're gonna put in your birthday here. Okay. And then right here, this is how you qualify for the fund. So if you have existing platforms and you're also on Flip, then what is my social media statistics? So this just tells us how they're going to view this. So we're going to push next here. Okay, so then all I'm going to do here is put in my TikTok username. And guys, if you have multiple accounts, use the ones that you have the most engagement and the most views on and the most followers, because this is what they're going to look at to decide whether or not you get to come in. So I'm going to put in my best one here. Okay. So then we push next, and then we're going to put in my Instagram. And as you guys probably noticed on here, you don't put the ad in, just literally your username. So this is mine for Instagram. And then here is mine for my YouTube channel. Okay, so right here is where you guys are going to decide which one has the most engagement. So pick like your star like platform that you love to use and have the most engagement on. Mine is going to be TikTok, and I have 2,500 followers in this one account. So we're going to put that in right here. Right here, what's my Flip username? Okay, and then this next one here is, why are you interested in joining the Founding Creator Fund? So I'm just gonna write here the reasons why, because I absolutely love this platform. I truly do. And then we are going to put in here, because I want to help educate, entertain. I'll do this way. Perfect. Okay, anything else we should know? I mean, I just love the platform. I'm super excited. Put that there. Okay. And that's literally the end of the application. So after you have submitted that application, like it said on the screen there, it could take 2 to 3 days for them to get back to you. But guys, this is a really huge deal, especially since the opportunity is so new and so fresh, because I think he announced this only like 2 or 3 days ago. So if you guys are on Flip, if you guys enjoy the platform, and if you have existing audiences on other platforms, whether it be TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, you know, what have you, make sure you guys apply for this, because it's going to be worth it if you guys can get in. So I just wanted to share that with you, because I had just found that out and I was like, I need to make a video on this, because I think this would be really helpful to a lot of you guys. But that's literally all I have for today. So see ya.